Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to set data limit on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have to connect your laptop internet. Then after you connect your laptop internet, next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here. Make sure you click on your Wi-Fi icon, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to network and internet settings. Click on that. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to data usage. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to enter limit. And this is going to pump up. Now set data limit, limit type. You can set data limit for monthly, one time, or unlimited. Now I'm going to put this in on monthly data limit set. Then right here, monthly reset date. So you can click on here and choose your reset date. Your monthly reset date can be first or any days of your choice. So in this tutorial, we'll just put on 15th. Then right here, set data limit for this also a month. So I'm going to put this in 10. Then I will come here, the unit. I'm going to make it 10 gig. Now, once you set your data limit, next thing you need to do is to simply click on save. With that, you have enabled data limit on your Windows PC, and immediately you make use of 10 gig for that particular month, the internet is going to stop in your Windows PC. It's as simple as that. So you can see it right here. So basically, this is how to set data limit on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Windows PC tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.